This is a quick tutorial on how to do the basics in Chrome OS, specifically how to save files to your local computer as well as your Google Cloud account and how to view those files and organize them. So I'm going to start out with email because a lot of people handle email and get files in email. So I'm going to open this email from Al, and you can see it's got a couple attachments here. When you put the mouse over the attachments, you get the options here to download it, add it to your Google Drive, or if it's a photo, you can save it to Google Photos. Over here is a PDF. You don't have the save to Google Photos because it's not a photo, but you can also download it and save it to Drive. So I'm going to do that now. If I click download here, it comes up with a couple options. It normally defaults to this downloads folder, and this is on your local computer. So if I choose to save it, I can give it a different name here. If you've already got a photo, in this case, it renames it and adds a 1 at the end. So I'm going to save that here, and that saves it to my local computer. If I want to save it to a different area, like my Google Drive, I click this download, but instead of leaving it here, I click on Google Drive, and this is where I can pick another area. So if I just want to drop it here, I can, or if I want to put it in this miscellaneous directory and then click save, and there's already one there, I can replace it. So that's a photo. Now let's look at the Files application that's part of Chrome here. I put it at the bottom, but just for convenience, if I click on this Files here, I can see my download, and there's the photos I just saved. And if I click on Google Drive, I would be able to see all the folders on my Google Drive. So if you want to look at these photos, just double click on it and it will open it, and you can use the arrow keys to rotate among. These are different photographs, and it just rotates. So whether you're dealing with two photographs or 2000, that's how you can use the photo app to browse. Now let's work with the PDF. So I'm going to close this. And if I look at this PDF, if I just click on the PDF itself, that's a way it opens in another screen here, and I can enlarge it or zoom in or zoom out to make it bigger or smaller. I can also save it from here, etc. And you can print it from here by clicking on this print. So there's different ways to do different things here. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to do a screen capture, whether you're doing the whole screen or just a portion of it. If you click on this date and time down here in the lower right, you'll see screen capture, and then up will pop this menu here. This is for a single screen, and then you've got the whole screen, just the part you select, or just a window. And that's how I'm actually recording this video, using the screen capture. So I'm going to cancel out of that. And there you have some of the basics on how to save files, how to view them, and how to do a screen capture. That's it. Thanks for watching.